So what is your advice to someone who's an investor who hasn't been in your world of cryptocurrency and the rest before, Bitcoin? What should they do? What should they think before they get involved?
So look, I think everybody, the basic thing everybody says is do your research. I think that's fair. I think that's hard. I mean, I'm sure everyone here is intelligent enough to understand complex things like commodity derivatives or cryptocurrencies, but we don't all have the time to do that. That's not our expertise. You know, I'm probably smart enough to understand that amazing guy backstage and his robotics degree, but I'm never going to do it because I don't have the time to get there. So I think you do have to do some basic level of research, but I do believe in trusting verified institutions. Again, I'm biased, but I think trusting companies that have the courage to go public, like a Coinbase.
People might have said that about Lehman Brothers.
There's no guarantees. That's Madoff was SEC registered. You're absolutely right. Diversification is obviously another basic core principle. If you don't have the time to do full research, then invest amounts of money that you can afford to lose. That's always a sound economic principle. I'm not an investment advisor. Don't trust people's advice who aren't investment advisors like me. But I think basically diversification, taking the time, if you're going to increase your exposure to learn more, developing relationships with people you trust who do have the time to learn more, you know, find a quality advisor. And focus on allocating your resources to companies that have the courage to be transparent to you. I think that's reasonable advice.